Discovering Argentina Valley, from Glory to Molini di Triora. Even if the work at our farm never stops, when it is possible we allow ourselves a tour in the surroundings to discover our territory. Today we want to continue the journey along the Argentina Valley, resuming the journey from where we left off, from Carpasio, to visit the villages of Glory, Agaggio, Andagna and Molini di Triora. This is, as always, an excursion that anyone staying at our apartments in Diano Marina can easily do in a day, by moped or by car. From Carpasio to Glory. From Carpasio we go down towards Montalto, and we take again the provincial road 21, returning to the crossroads between Badalucco and Isola Lunga. From here we take the provincial road 48, and after a few kilometers we find the deviation that leads us to Glory. Here we are in a dominant and absolutely panoramic position, which allows us to admire the whole valley up to the sea. On foot we easily cross the wood to reach the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes. Beyond the church it is possible to follow a trekking path that cuts through the mountain and leads directly to Carpasio. Once in the village, we suggest you to visit some characteristic places. The oratory of Sant'Antonio Abate, with its beautiful portal, where is engraved the date 1632, year of the Baroque renovation, a Romanesque bridge with two arches, the Honey Museum and the wine cellar of the Provost's Press. From Glory to Andagna. From Glory we take the provincial road 48 to go up towards Molini di Triora. After some kilometers and some curves we find the deviations, distant between them a few hundred meters, for the two hamlets of Agaggio, Upper and Lower. That is a series of scattered houses of medieval origin. Going straight on, after a detour on the right, you arrive in Andagna, a village set between Agaggio and Molini di Triora. We are along the road of Etelia Pass, from which a series of hiking trails branch off towards the mountain. Descending from these places, we arrive at Impero Valley, just before the Colle d'Oggia. The village has a beautiful urban structure, with a municipal loggia and several sacred buildings of great value, such as the parish church dedicated to the Nativity of the Virgin, built in the 15th century, the oratory of San Martino, built in the 15th century but rebuilt during the 18th century, or the oratories of San Rocco and San Bernardo. From Andagna to Molini di Triora. At this point, from Andagna, we take the provincial road 17 towards Via Costa, and after about 3 kilometers we arrive in Molini di Triora. This municipality of the high Argentina Valley rises at the foot of a ridge that descends from Triora, where the streams Argentina and Capriolo join. It was a particularly fortunate place because of its position and the great abundance of water. There were 23 mills in this territory in ancient times, from which the place name derives. Although we have evidence of the presence of these places already during the Bronze Age, it is only around the year 1000 that we have material traces of the presence of the Benedictines. To them we owe, in fact, the construction of mill for grain. After having spent a long period under the control of the Counts of Ventimiglia and then under Genoa, in the 17th century Molini di Triora was granted administrative autonomy for itself, Andagna and Corte. Only in 1903 was recognized the status of municipality. At this point, we can only recommend a visit to the Paris church of San Lorenzo, built in 1486 in late Gothic style, but renovated in Baroque style in the 18th century. Of the original structure, we can still see the cusped bell tower and the lintel in black stone with the Bernardo trigram inscribed inside a garland, the gridiron that remembers the martyrdom of a saint and rosette motifs. Of this fragment of the portal we also know the date of execution, 1486, and the name of a stone-cutter, Joannis Laurerius, perhaps also the architect of the church. Here ends the second part of our journey to discover the Argentina Valley. We will continue our journey in the next article with a visit to other important towns and villages of the area, touching the center, ranging from Triora to Borniga.